Namaste. On behalf of our channel Soulcraft, I welcome everybody to this informative video. This video throws light on Reiki Level 3, also known as Reiki Master Level. I am going to discuss this topic in good detail today. People had asked me if Reiki Level 3 is same as Reiki Mastership level or they are two different levels of Reiki. So let me make it clear for you here that some Reiki centers are teaching Reiki Level 3 and Reiki Mastership level in a combined manner. And in such centers, those two things are one. However, my master separates Reiki Level 3 from Reiki Mastership level. Reason behind it is the attunement we receive for Reiki energies and the master symbol is different from the attunement we receive, which will enable us to attune other practitioners. So, in my training of Reiki Level 3, I was attuned to Reiki energies, master symbol, this was one. And I got one more attunement for angels, which means I was attuned to get connected to angels for angel therapy. It is also a part of Reiki 3rd level. Now, these were two attunements in one day. So if he would have given me another attunement which would enable me to attune other practitioners, it's not a good idea. It's a bit too much actually for a single day. That's the main reason he separates these two levels. So we can call it Reiki 3A and Reiki 3B as some centers call them. So now I would focus more on Reiki 3A in my upcoming discussion, and later we will talk about Reiki 3B, which is Mastership level. Reiki 3rd degree is also known as Inner Master level. Its Japanese name is Shinpidan, which means mystery teachings. So now we know that Reiki 3rd level is divided into inner teachings and Usui master level. I will concentrate on inner master level, that is Reiki 3 level. Highlight of this Reiki level is it's highly spiritual in nature. Students are attuned to master symbol, which is most powerful symbol of Reiki. It enables student to work on spiritual level, and it enables them to connect to their inner truth, and that is why it is known as Inner Master level, because it involves recognizing the fact that you are master of your own destiny. You are the one responsible for your life. This knowledge can often help the student to find his true path in life, and it may require him to make changes in his life. Usui master symbol, which you will get attuned to here, will enhance the qualities of all the other symbols you have learned in Reiki level 2, and you will notice a way stronger connection between your physical self and higher self. The master symbol is also known as symbol of transformation, and it is a very powerful tool for personal growth. Most people experience huge shift of consciousness after the class of Reiki level 3. It allows you to truly step into the mysteries of Reiki, and although it may not necessarily explain the attunement to you, it will certainly give you an incredible experience of it. Essentially, it's all about letting go. It's about trusting, and most importantly, about self-belief. See, at this level, you are getting trained for master level, and you are getting trained to be able to give attunements to others. So, Reiki level 3 works on raising your vibration. It makes you understand your own power through developing your intuition. Reiki level 3 is ideal for those wishing to enhance their experience of Reiki. They want to go ahead with learnings and techniques. However, they are not planning to teach others at this point in time. I mentioned earlier that this level is all about transformation. So it's going to be very difficult for people who have not mastered their Reiki second degree techniques. So make sure you have spent enough time practicing Reiki level 2 before you hop on Reiki level 3. You don't underestimate shift of energy at this level. Significant time should be passed between Reiki second degree and third degree. Third degree Reiki will make you understand your place in the universe. You get to understand that we are all under the same roof. We are all interconnected, and we all have the universal energy flowing through us. What matters is what you do with this energy and how you are going to use it in your evolution process. What all Reiki third degree teaches us? Let's go for it. In Reiki level 3, you will be first introduced to it. Then you will be revising your first degree and second degree levels. You will be introduced and taught about master symbol, which is the most powerful symbol of Reiki, right? And you will be taught how to protect yourself from black magic, evil eye, bad eye, and many sorts of evil intentions and energies. You will be taught to heal diseases, send healings to groups, heal nature and our Mother Earth, heal addictions, heal your own chakras with master symbol, as well as healing others' chakras as well. You will be taught how to clean your crystals. You will be taught 7 chakras meditation, relationship healing with master symbol. You will be taught how to shield yourself against negative energies by locking your aura, goal manifestation using master symbol, how to connect to angels and angel card reading. Special Reiki symbols meditations. With these meditations, you can heal your past life karmas and improve your present life and become like a magnet that attracts power, love, wealth, and everything you desire. You can heal your life spiritually and empower your healing abilities for others as well. It is known as karmic healing. You will be taught about chakra system. There will be extensive coverage on your chakras and how they control your health. As a Reiki healer, you should be well versed with your chakras and the entire chakra system and its impact on your mental and physical well-being. Then only you will be able to heal various health problems with Reiki healing energy. Another thing is psychic surgery. You will be trained to do a psychic surgery where you cure a health condition with Reiki energies, where a medical surgery is advised otherwise. You will learn this technique under Reiki level 3. You will learn the power of intent, the potential of intuition, distant connections, and self-empowerments. You will get to experience energies in different ways. You can use them on yourself and others. And you will learn and practice Reiki aura cleaning. Now we are going to discuss Reiki Mastership level in detail. It calls for another attunement, which will enable us to attune other practitioners and healers. The greatest joy about Reiki level 3 is being able to attune others. Imagine the thrill you would witness, you would experience when you see other members of your class getting Reiki energy. Just the thought of it is so thrilling. Then, as you guide them in its use, sharing in their joy and amazement, as they experience this gentle power flowing through them for the first time. So you will see a sense of joy, a total environment of happiness all around in this attunement class. I still remember the experience. According to Mrs. Takata, the Japanese-American Reiki Grandmaster, definition of Reiki Master is anyone who has received attunement of Reiki Master and the Master symbol, who understands how to give all the attunements and has actually taught a Reiki class, thus passing Reiki on to others. Now there is a difference. If someone has taken Reiki Master training and has not taught at least one person, they will be called Reiki Master Practitioner until they do teach and call themselves and will be called Reiki Master. At this level, the energies continue to increase and learning becomes a much deeper experience. At this level, you move into discovering more about the mysteries of life, mysteries of Reiki itself. In this level, the central energy channel will be further opened and students will be given some more symbols and mantras. It will enable the student to perform Reiki attunement on others The step-by-step process is explained in good detail and they will be practicing it as well. Student will use the knowledge which they have used and gained up all this while in the previous levels to empower their self and for the benefits of others and practitioners and the people who receive Reiki. Now I would discuss 5 major elements which builds up the entire Reiki system. Number 1, developing spiritual and mental focus. Number 2, techniques and meditations. These are taught throughout all the 3 levels. Number 3, hands-on healing, which is a physical aspect which can be used on self or others for the purpose of healing. Number 4, mantras, including level 2 and level 3. Number 5, Reiju, attunement, right? You remember Reiju? That means attunements. At Reiki master level, you will learn how to become a proficient, ethical, and universally aware Reiki master who can very competently teach Reiki courses to others. This level is a wonderful move towards much greater enlightenment and enhanced healing abilities. Participating in a master level course is a powerful next step in working in the alternative therapies industry. Reiki master has certain responsibilities as well. Let's discuss them now. Every Reiki master has a responsibility to bring light where there is darkness, to bring love when there is hatred. Be kind to all living beings. Spread the truth and knowledge as much as possible. Guide people on right path in their own rhythm. Know the Reiki's knowledge, meaning, symbols and purpose. Always seek to enlarge the spectrum of knowledge of one's domain. Have a positive attitude. Help humanity in a slow and continuous motion. Process of spiritual evolution. They should be open to learn from others. Have a positive attitude and to be capable of improving on all levels. Okay, my dear viewers, I hope I was able to make you understand this part of discussion. If you have any other confusions, you have any questions, feel free to ask in comment section or you can send me email. If you have liked the video, just say it loud as usual by hitting the like button. Don't forget to subscribe your own channel Soulcraft. And it was pleasure discussing Reiki with you. It was an encouragement message for all of you to learn Reiki and make it a part of our daily life. I will be seeing you very soon with more informative and educational videos. Till then, I wish a very good health for you. Stay happy, stay peaceful, stay blessed with Reiki energy and stay calm. Bye-bye for now. Namaste.